Welcome back to Stir the Pot. Today we'll be making Southern Golden Sweet Cornbread. Please stick around, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and the instructions will be down in the bottom. And smash that like button. Now let's stir the pot. This golden sweet cornbread starts with 1 cup of all purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, I will whisk this all together. And then we will add to this 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you would like. We're not using butter for this recipe because we're making it vegetarian, but it is delicious. You will not miss it, I promise. You would add 1 egg. Make sure you hit the like button. Show us some love. Mash that button. And subscribe for more recipes. Lastly, we will add 1 cup of milk. We'll get this all mixed in together. It's kind of sticking in my whisk, so I've got to get all that cornbread out. Cornbread for the new year symbolizes gold, and we need lots of that in the new year. That's beautiful. My pot of gold. What I have here is a preheated iron skillet. I put this in the oven whenever I was heating the oven up. You will cook the cornbread in the oven at 400 degrees for approximately 40 minutes. If you do not have a cast iron pan, that is fine. You can use a 9-inch pie pan for this, or a pie plate. Pie pan, not plate, pan. Okay, this is going back in the oven on the middle rack, 400 degrees, and we're going to do 40 minutes and then we'll check it to make sure that it's done. Our cornbread is done and I'll be getting it from the oven. And she is beautiful. Look at that baby. Golden brown, golden sweet cornbread. That cornbread is cooked perfectly. This is the Southern sweet golden cornbread and the turnip greens. These are two of the Southern traditions. We're bringing them together tonight, and let's taste it and see how we did. The cornbread is very moist. It's delicious. It's nice and brown on the bottom, moist on the inside, and let's try it with the greens. These are the Southern Smoky Vegetarian greens. Very good. That is slap your mama good, but don't slap your mama. Um, Give us a thumbs up. Smash that like button for us. Give us a comment as to how you like the greens and the cornbread or what you do different for yours. And subscribe. The recipe for this will be in the bottom, and the link to the other tradition will be at the end of this video. So until next time, stir the pot.